God, ito yung binigay nila, guys. Yan. Oh my God. Alam mo, very special to, promise. It's very special talaga. Pero, oh my gosh, I feel something talaga. Na baka lang. Please, 25,000 pesos to. Hello Mimics guys, today's video guys, we were going to unbox several packages from Globe at Home. So this is unexpected guys today. Kasi I just joined raffle nila, chance to win an IKEA gift card, chance to win a Wakanda tickets or what. So na app na to, meron silang like if you are registered your mobile number tapos nagpa-load ka, and then if you're postpaid customers, magkakaroon ka ng points every time you pay your bills, then magkakaroon ka ng points doon and you can redeem it. Marami silang free doon, like free sa McDonald's, Jollibee, mga ganon. And then yung points na yon, you redeem into something like magjo-join ka sa mga raffles nila and you have chance to win something big. And I didn't know na one of the luckiest customers, one of the luckiest people na nag-join doon sa raffle na yon is ako. Itong item na to is for the Wakanda Forever. Spend ka lang ng 10 points doon sa Globe One. Siyang spend doon 10 points every day. So I think I spend 3 10 points or 50 points yata. So meron doon 50 winners or 20 winners magkakaroon ng free tickets sa movie cinema, and then 50 or 20 people magkakaroon ng Funko Pop na Wakanda Forever from Disney Plus. So guys, finally, nawagan ako ng Intigon na I have a package daw from Globe. First of all guys, tinawagan ako ng Globe. I'm the one of the luckiest winners na ng Disney Plus na nanalo ng isang item nila or merch nila. So, kita ko sa Globe Telecom na ano yung prices nila. So, 50 winners of ticket ng Wakanda Forever and then 20 winners of the Funko Pops nila. So, first of Funko Pops to. Ayan. So, let's unbox it na. And we have another winning something. Nanalo na naman tayo ulit guys. Kasi guys, alam nyo, sayang yung points na na-accommodate nyo. Kasi may expire din siya. Why not joining a raffle nila? Ooh, ito yung akin. So wala na siya. Wala nang laman. So ito yung binigay nila, yung Funko Pop. Alam mo, hindi, mahilig naman ako mag Funko Pop, pero dapat blue. Dapat blue siya. But it doesn't mean, kasi parang sign na din to na magko-collect ako ng Funko Pops. Oh my gosh. Meron akong Funko Pop dito sa likod. Ayan, kita niyo ba? So meron tayo nito. So we have the Ironheart MK1. God, ito yung binigay nila guys. Ito yung binigay nila. Oh my gosh. Nag-aano siya. Wait, we need to open it. Ito yung ano nila guys, oh. Then yung binigay nila, yung parang special na something na yung sa ano, yung sa dog, ng sasakyan, na parang gumaganon yung ulo. So, ito yung binigay nila. Yung binigay nila si Ironheart MK1, Bubblehead. Bubblehead. Ito. Tingnan natin kung nagbabubble something ha. Wala for sure nag-bubblehead ko. Ayan. Oh my God. Alam mo, very special to, promise. It's very special talaga. Funko Pop LLC 2022. Marvel. Sheesh. Ito yung binigay nila, guys. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda. Ang ganda, promise. Nashock ako. Ang ganda yung binigay. Very rare to, promise. Very rare. Thank you very much, Globe at Home. And guys, second guys. Ito na naman. Nag-join na naman ako sa isang event nila. So we have here na binigay sa atin sa ano nila, sa kung sino daw yung mga loyal customers doon na qualify, which is meron silang parang Globe Elite customers na nag-avail ng ano na, nag-avail ng tawag dito, yung parang plan. Yung plan ko is 2699, which is nakapasok siya sa mga like higher accounts. So, meron akong raffle entry, which is, ako yung nanalo ng raffle entry nila. So, they gave me an IKEA gift card. So nakita ko dito, na-research ko dito sa Globe, hindi siya nakalagay kung magkano. Pero, nakita ko sa IKEA gift cards nila na binebenta, which is you can give this card to your loved ones or to your business partners or to your employees, ganon. So, meron siyang minimum 500 pesos and a maximum of 35,000 pesos na meron laman. Okay? Meron laman. Kita ko sa Globe Telecom na website nila, they give away 5 winners of worth 25,000 pesos of gift cards. 5 winners lang. Back 2021. So ngayon 2022, di sila nag-post. Wala akong nakita sa website nila or even sa Facebook page nila na may nanalo. So let's see if 25,000 pesos to. Sana. Pero not bad if we have the 500 pesos. Not bad. Not bad talaga. At ina-expect ko mayroon siyang bibigay na flyer or what. I don't know. So let's see. Oh my God! Hoping na 25,000 worth of IKEA, pero walang IKEA dito sa amin. Walang IKEA dito sa amin, guys. So pupunta pa ako ng Pasay. Pero wala. Oh my gosh, I feel something talaga. Na baka lang. Please, 25,000 pesos to. Okay. So, how this card works daw. Pero may card silang ibibigay. Ayan. So, I have the IKEA card. And the IKEA card can be used to pay for purchases fully or partially at IKEA checkouts, restaurants, bistro, cafe, and Swedish food market. So, bawal siya sa online. So, pupunta ka talaga sa IKEA shops doon, sa IKEA building doon sa Pasay, which is nakapunta din kami doon pero hindi kami nakapunta sa loob kasi maraming pumipila. Nabalalabayan lang namin doon pag pumunta kami ng SMOA. Make multiple purchase with a card for as long as it carries IKEA gift card balance daw. Papaloadan mo to, parang Jollibee points. Magpapaload ka din, dito ka bibili. Parang ganun. Or GCash. Papaloadan mo GCash mo, then dito ka bibili. Pero ito is for the IKEA holder lang. This card has no value until it's purchased and can only be used in store lang. In addition, the IKEA card may only be used in the country where it bought, so Philippines. The value of the IKEA card cannot be exchanged for cash, okay? Lost or stolen cards will not be replaced. The IKEA gift card's balance does not expire, but the card needs to be revalidated every 2 years. So this validation, so every 2 years, may renewable siya, guys. Hindi siya lang permanent. Please maximize your Globe One app. Talaga, there's a lot of exciting prizes pag mag-join kayo using your points, guys. Thank you guys very much for watching and see you in the next vlog, guys. Adios, mi amigos. Peace out. Bye.
I got deja vu when I saw you at a table at a road spot set for two. With that look in your eye when you smile like you always do. But this time it wasn't me that was sitting there next to you.